Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition as we explore the remarkable health benefits of beetroot. You won't believe the incredible impact this vibrant vegetable can have on your overall well-being. So, let's get started. 1. Heart health. Did you know that beetroot can be a game-changer for your heart health? Its high nitrate content has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and enhance cardiovascular function. These benefits can reduce the risk of heart diseases and promote a stronger heart. 2. Enhanced exercise performance. Athletes, listen up. Beetroot's nitrates aren't just beneficial for the heart, they also boost exercise performance. By increasing oxygen delivery to muscles, beetroot juice can enhance endurance and reduce fatigue during workouts. It's like a natural sports performance enhancer. 3. Digestive health. Beetroot's dietary fiber aids in promoting a healthy digestive system. It supports regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Plus, the antioxidants in beetroot help protect your gut from inflammation and may reduce the risk of certain digestive disorders. 4. Cognitive function. Keeping your brain in top shape is crucial, and beetroot can lend a hand. Its nitrates help increase blood flow to the brain, potentially enhancing cognitive function and slowing down age-related cognitive decline. 5. Rich in nutrients. Beetroot, often dubbed as a superfood, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamin C and potassium to folate and iron, this root veggie is a treasure trove of nutrients that contribute to maintaining a healthy body. 6. Immune boost. Building a robust immune system is vital, and beetroot can contribute here too. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and other immune-boosting nutrients, it helps your body fend off illnesses and stay resilient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy and vibrant, until next time.